Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats, and today we are making this yummy chicken prosciutto in a white wine sauce. It's so delicious and it's super easy to make in less than 30 minutes. You can serve this with potatoes, rice, pasta, so it's really versatile. So let's get started. We're gonna get started by prepping our chicken breast. Make sure they're nice and trim before you get started, and then you're gonna slice each chicken breast into 2 thin chicken breasts. Then you're gonna cover it with plastic wrap and use a meat tenderizer to just pound them into even thickness. Once those are pretty similar in size, you can remove the plastic wrap and pat these dry with a paper towel. And then you're just gonna season with some salt and pepper. After we pat dry our chicken and season it, we're gonna go ahead and make a flour mixture. This is just gonna coat the chicken, and we're just gonna season it a little bit. So we've got some black pepper. We're gonna go in with some salt and oregano. And this recipe is a lot like chicken saltimbocca. If you love chicken saltimbocca, you can definitely add in some sage. That's pretty much all we're missing in this recipe. I usually have it growing in my garden, and I didn't have it today. I was super sad. We're just gonna whisk this up, and then we'll get our chicken ready. Now you're just gonna dip each chicken breast into the flour mixture, and then you're gonna cover it in prosciutto. Just lay it on top, and then you just wanna poke your fingers into the prosciutto so it adheres really good to the chicken. And we're gonna be working with this chicken in 2 different batches. So I like to just put my oven on 175. That way I can stick the first batch in so it doesn't get cold. Next, we're gonna saute our chicken. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter and a little bit of olive oil into a stainless steel skillet over medium heat. The olive oil is gonna help to increase the burning point of the butter. And then we're gonna lay our chicken breast in prosciutto side down. This will get the prosciutto nice and crispy. And don't worry, it shouldn't stick to the pan because of how much oil and butter we have in there. Then after about 4 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and flip these, and they'll cook for another 3 to 5 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. Once they're finished, we're gonna just go ahead and pop them into the oven. Just put them onto a cookie sheet, and then you can go ahead and start your next batch. Once that's finished, we're gonna pop that back in the oven and start our white wine sauce. For the white wine sauce, we're gonna use the same skillet that we've been using, and we're just gonna add 2 cloves of minced garlic, and we just wanna toast this for about 30 seconds to a minute until it's nice and fragrant. Then we're gonna pour in our Chardonnay, and we're gonna cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you wanna use a wooden spoon to scrape up the brown bits on the bottom to get the ultimate flavor. Then we're just gonna add in some lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of salted butter. This makes it nice and creamy. And just let that melt, and this sauce is ready. Then you're gonna plate your chicken and just pour this over the top. And this is almost ready to serve. We're gonna top it with just some parsley and Parmesan cheese. This is gonna be so yummy. That's it, we're all done with this easy chicken prosciutto. I hope you guys make this for an easy weeknight meal. Let me know in the comments if you decide to. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.